How to cancel bill negotiation rocket money. Intro. Have you ever felt like you're being taken for a ride by your bills? It's a feeling many of us can relate to. And that's where services like Rocket Money come in. They promise to negotiate your bills on your behalf, potentially saving you a significant amount of money. But what happens when you're not satisfied with the results? How do you cancel your Rocket Money bill negotiation service? Hook. Have you ever felt like your bills were out of control? In this video, we're going to break down the process of canceling your Rocket Money bill negotiation service, step by step. We'll cover everything from understanding your contract to navigating the cancellation process. So, if you're ready to take back control of your finances, let's get started. Understanding your contract. The first step in canceling your Rocket Money bill negotiation service is to understand your contract. Review the terms and conditions carefully, paying attention to the cancellation policy. This will outline the steps you need to take to cancel your service and any potential fees or penalties that may apply. Contacting Rocket Money customer support. Once you understand your contract, the next step is to contact Rocket Money customer support. They can provide you with specific instructions on how to cancel your service. You may be able to cancel online, over the phone, or in writing. Cancellation methods. Online. If Rocket Money offers an online cancellation portal, this is often the easiest way to cancel your service. Simply log into your account and follow the instructions. Phone. If you prefer to cancel over the phone, call Rocket Money's customer support number. Be prepared to provide your account information and reason for cancellation. Written notice. In some cases, you may need to send a written notice of cancellation to Rocket Money. This is typically required if your contract specifies that you must cancel in writing. Cancellation fees and penalties. Be aware that some contracts may include cancellation fees or penalties. These fees can vary depending on the terms of your agreement. Review your contract carefully to determine if any fees apply. Negotiating cancellation terms. If you're unhappy with the cancellation terms or fees, you may be able to negotiate with Rocket Money. Contact their customer support team and explain your situation. They may be willing to waive or reduce any fees. Refund policy. If you're entitled to a refund, Rocket Money's refund policy will outline the process. This may involve submitting a refund request and providing supporting documentation. Alternatives to Rocket Money. If you're not satisfied with Rocket Money's bill negotiation services, there are other options available. Consider researching other companies that offer similar services. Compare their fees, terms, and customer reviews to find the best option for your needs. Tips for negotiating bills yourself. If you're comfortable negotiating your bills yourself, here are some tips. Be polite and persistent. Approach your service providers with a polite and persistent attitude. Be prepared to negotiate and don't be afraid to ask for a better deal. Do your research. Before contacting your service providers, research the average costs for your services. This will give you a better idea of what you should be paying. Threaten to switch. If you're not getting the results you want, don't be afraid to threaten to switch to a competitor. This can often motivate service providers to offer better deals. Conclusion. Canceling your Rocket Money bill negotiation service may seem daunting, but it's a relatively straightforward process. By understanding your contract, contacting customer support, and following the cancellation procedures, you can take back control of your finances. Remember to review your contract carefully to understand any cancellation fees or penalties that may apply. Don't be afraid to negotiate with Rocket Money if you're not satisfied with the terms. And if you decide to cancel your service, consider exploring other options for bill negotiation or negotiating your bills yourself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.